Hey filmmakers, Chung here. In this video we're gonna combine the Yololiv Yolobox with the Blackmagic Atem Mini. We are connecting them together using the HDMI out of the Atem Mini connecting to the HDMI in on the Yolobox. I have tried connecting the Atem Mini to the Yolobox with the USB or the network cable, however it does not result into any real connection. The major benefit for me is that instead of using the touchscreen to switch between the cameras, with the Atem Mini connected to the Yolobox, we can get a much more nicer tactile feel of the actual buttons and quickly switch between 4 cameras much faster, especially when you're filming like a live band performance where you really need to quickly switch between the cameras on the beat. And the benefit of the Yolobox bringing to the Atem Mini is that it is a small screen instead of bringing a big laptop with you, because it is similar to a 7-inch monitor. Another benefit the Yolobox got over a laptop is that it got a SIM card tray so you can live stream over 4G network, as this is very useful if you are streaming at a location that does not provide Wi-Fi, but also it is much more stable than using the hotspot from your phone. Also, you can use the Yolobox as a recorder, however it does require internet for this, and the quality of the recording is really depending on your internet speed as it follows that bitrate. A tip for if you want to use the Atem Mini with wireless HDMI is to not use port 1 because that one has issues, but use port 2, 3 and 4. We have used this Yolobox and Atem Mini combination on a live band performance, and you might have noticed there is an extra screen next to the Yolobox. This screen is for showing the only camera that is going to move and pan around, while the other 3 cameras are being static. Overall, the two really complement each other. However, the Yolobox really needs to step up the game by making the recording function without need of internet, but also have more features in the recording, choosing which bitrate. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.